Hey guys, it's Ash. Welcome back to my channel. I have to say, thumbnails are not my forte. I just spent about 5 minutes trying to get a good one for you because I'm super excited about this video, but I don't think I could portray that very well in my thumbnail, so I apologize. But anyways, I am at So's house right now. We were just hanging out. He was streaming right now, and I figured this would be a pretty good time to knock out this video. This video is super awesome because it's a hair review, but we're doing, I say we because it's me and the hair company. We're doing a Halloween giveaway in this video as well. Yay! I love Halloween and I love hair. So yeah, I'm super excited for my ladies to watch this and wear extensions. Let me go ahead and get the review part done first. I don't know if you guys watched my first hair review video, but this is my second. I've had it about I've had it in for about a month now. The only thing is this texture that I have is like curly. It's called Peruvian Deep Wave. I have two 26-inch and one 24-inch right now. I don't have a closure. I have my leave out. My leave out blends in with the hair, but they do have closures and the full things. What are they called? Lace fronts. Lace front and closures. I just didn't order it. But you can get it, you could get a wig made with this hair or, make it into clip-in, whatever floats your boat. Anyways, I just got a regular sew-in with this hair. Peruvian Deep Wave is so similar to my natural hair. It is crazy. I always would bitch my whole life that, my hair won't grow, and it won't. It only grows past a certain length. I've done the hair trims. I've not straightened it. I've had all the hair care products for curly, dry hair, which is what I have. And I got it to a pretty healthy length before it was taken from me against my will, but I'm not gonna go into that. But after that happened, I really just started wearing sew-ins because I'm like, fuck it, I've already tried to grow my real hair and then it got chopped off. We're not going to talk about that. So that's why I kind of wear a lot of sew-ins or hair extensions because my real hair is about right here. And I would like it to be right here or something like that. This is like that. See? And like I said, 226, 124-inch. I'm only 5'1", so they're going to go pretty long. But anyways, bro, this hair is so similar to my hair, dude. God knew exactly what he was doing when he couldn't make my hair grow because it's a lot of maintenance. And I just do no maintenance on my weave whatsoever at all. When I sleep, it gets very nappy down here. So if you like this look, I love the look, but the maintenance is just too much for me. I don't wrap my hair at night. I don't comb it or brush it every day. And for Peruvian Deep Wave, you need to keep up the maintenance. Anyways, aside from that, if you really fuck with the look, I fuck with it too, I really do, but I kind of want to break from it because I don't wrap my hair at night. I don't even brush the hair every day, and that with curly hair does not match. I mean, that's how I treat my natural hair as well, but it's shorter. It's like right here, so when I have naps, it's not too bad. I could just comb it out in the shower. But if you're good at maintaining your hair every day, then by all means, I would definitely recommend this because I really like the look. But if you don't wrap your hair, if you don't fucking brush it every day, I wouldn't go with Peruvian Deep Wave. But let's go ahead and go into the hair company. So they respond pretty good to emails about 1 business day, which is faster than me. So that's why I say it's pretty good. I believe they are based in China or somewhere overseas because one time I was emailing them and I had like an automatic response and it said that they were out of the office during this like Chinese holiday, but it lasted like 5 days or something. So that's why I assume they're in China. But to be in China, they get their shit pretty fast. Because like I said, I don't know if you watched my other hair video, but I got my shit faster from this Nadula hair than I did Fashion Nova. So yeah, anyways. For the hair texture, I mean, I had a fuck ton of shedding, I guess. But it was whenever I was brushing it. But like I said, I don't brush it every day. So what the hell do you expect when there's hella naps, And I don't go easy, I know you're supposed to brush it down or whatever, but I wasn't showing no mercy. I was just going at the naps and it's still pretty full. Like I have a lot of conditioner in it and I wet it a lot. So for me to be, zero maintenance, zero care to, thinning out, I was just getting this shit like pulling my nigga like, ugh. So even with all that being said, with all that neglect I did to it, it's still full. Thank the Lord. I know if I would have got straight hair, like it would be so thin right now. The good thing about, I guess, it's not called curly, it's called Peruvian Deep Wave. The good thing about it is it's so naturally full. The first one I got, I only had 2 bundles in. This is 3 bundles. But you know, if you're going low on a budget and you don't win the contest, then you can, you know, settle for 2, and then you're still gonna have pretty full hair. So that's the good thing about it, fullness. That is what I need. I never had a singular hair shed in the bed or on the floor or anything. Straight hair sheds a fuck ton. And maybe it's not just straight hair, but maybe like the other hair companies I've used. But I literally didn't get like a singular strand of shred with Nadula hair, which is awesome, and this curly hair. So they respond within a business day. It's not usually within hours, but a business day. And then they're in China, but you still get your shit like within 3 days, 2 to 3 days. And no shedding. I'm just recapping for you guys in case you forgot. And then the third thing that I really like, I think honestly it had, now that I think about it, it's the installer. It's the install, because you need to make sure whoever is installing your hair knows how to install it, but that's separate from Nadula hair. No, whatever. Okay, so yeah, pretty much the only thing I care about is the thinness and the shedding. I don't even have huge requirements. I just don't want my shit to look thin, and I don't want my shit to be all over the floor, not in my head. So I'm not even that complicated. And I don't want to pay like a fucking bag to look cute. So Nadula hair is obviously not like super duper hella out of price range as well. You're not gonna break your bank, you know, shopping with them. I really liked my experience with this hair. I really liked how I looked in pictures, and I felt like a fucking Disney princess the whole month I've had it, because if I was a princess, it would make my hair long and it would be like this. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the contest details. And I have my laptop here just in case I forget the stipulations of the contest. So it's a Halloween giveaway. Oh, which is awesome, because you guys know I love Halloween. Hence the tattoos. Like, come the fuck. I got Fear No Evil. I got the It Clown. I got a bat. I just got this mom. I have like stuff on my side. Oh, I guess I'll show you. Might as well. Creepy nun. And I got a skull and witch hands on my butt. I can't show you that. I'm not gonna do that. My video will get flagged or taken down or something. But I love Halloween. So I was super honored to be a part of this Halloween giveaway, because I love Halloween. And number 2, fucking love hair extensions. I don't know why, but I do. So I'm really happy to be a part of that, and someone will be able to win free hair, because that's something I'd be interested in. You feel me? So anyway, obviously the first thing you need to do to be a part of the giveaway is choose what hair you want. So I'll put the website to Nadula hair in my description. Just go on there and see what you'd want, like the length, the type. Like I said, I have 226 and 124-inch Peruvian deep wave in my hair right now, but they have all types on there. You know, all hair sites usually have a huge variety type shit. So go on the site and choose which hair you want. The second thing you have to do is go under this video and leave a link to whatever hair you want and your Instagram account in this video comments. So go down the comment section, put the link to the hair you want, and put your Instagram name. If you don't have an Instagram, or just put some social media, I guess, Facebook, but we're really trying to stick to Instagram. So if you have Instagram, even if you only have 0 followers, put your Instagram. If you don't, put your Facebook. If you don't have none of those, put your email address, because we just need some other method of how are we gonna contact you, you know what I mean? Well, we're gonna make a video, but we need to contact you too, type shit. So put your link to the hair you want and your Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, put Facebook. If you don't have none of those, put your email. And then the third thing is, obviously, you have to subscribe to me, subscribe to Nadula Hair, and follow me and Nadula Hair on Instagram. Obviously, my subscription is like right here. It's right there. One of these. You know, I'm not that familiar with YouTube and which side it is, but like it's a subscribe button. So subscribe to me. I'm gonna put Nadula Hair. It's just Nadula Hair, literally. They must have been around for a minute, because on Instagram and YouTube, all you type in is Nadula Hair and they're right there. So subscribe to them, follow them on Instagram, and my Instagram's OMGOAsh with 2 H's. The winner will be announced on YouTube. I'm gonna make another video, and on Instagram, I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. So once again, that's why it's useful for you to have an Instagram for this. But if you don't, just watch out for my other YouTube video announcing the hair winner, and then we will also contact you like from email or something if you don't have an Instagram. But yeah, that's all the contest details. Everything I'm gonna reiterate in my description to make sure you guys do everything correctly and make sure I was very descriptive with what you guys need to do. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Even if you don't want to participate in the contest, I post other things, you know, besides hair reviews. I prank my subscribers sometimes and other shit. But yeah, thanks so much for fucking with me, guys. All in all, I really did enjoy the Nadula hair a lot. So let me know what you think of this video, and I will be back with some more for you guys soon. Okay? Bye.